Today we're going to make MacBook Pro for Teddy. But first we're going to take the measurements, so then we know how much the cardboard. We traced the real MacBook Pro, so now we're going to just cut it. Right now we have the first part done. Right now we're going to cut the other side. Now we can use this as an old-fashioned TV. Let's go! Everybody, today's TV news. We're going to make a MacBook Pro in today's TV news. Now we're going to cover the cardboard with white paper. Now we're going to take them together. Does it look like a computer now? Right now we're going to use glue and water to make it more strong and cover the stuff that we don't like. This is the messiest time ever. Right now we're gonna wait for the computer to dry. Right now we're gonna cut the keyboards. Actually, we're cutting the keyboard buttons. Let's write the letters and numbers. And we even have more buttons. So these are piled. Now we're going to draw the logo that usually goes in every project that's Apple. We're going to put it right here in the middle. Now I'm going to copy the Apple logo from the watch. Look, now we're done. Just kidding. This is my version. This is the second version. That's much better. Now we're going to mix black and white to make the color gray. So first we take the black cap off. Don't pour it. We're just going to take some with the brush and put it here. Now we're going to put the white, but we're going to put a little bit more than the black because then it turns gray. Now we're just going to take black and white and we're going to mix them together. And then it's going to turn gray. We're going to need some more black. And it's going to turn gray after all. Look, it's gray! So cool! Now we're going to start painting. But did you know that this is actually a MacBook? And hey, look! It's standing, right? It's so. The thing's holding it. Standing, yay! But right now I'm just going to close it and start painting. Yeah, I'm going to stand it like this, but actually there's paint that's holding it because you don't want it to just hold itself because it's going to break the suspense of it holding itself. Right now I'm just going to color the back of the mask. Whoa, looks so cool. Right now we're going to use this fan to dry the outside, and then we're going to paint the inside. So first we just put like this. That's the right mode. Now I'm just going to blow. Now it's dry, we can do the inside. the table. We need to clean up right now. Clean, clean, clean. allowing me to clean up. Right now, I'm gonna wait for this whole place to dry before we're gonna put on the keyboard buttons. And the fastest way is with the fan. That's moving for no reason. So first thing that we're gonna do is take it upside down and put some glue on it, but not on the MacBook Pro. Now we're going to glue all the buttons. So first we're going to do this, and then we flip it again and put it nice in the middle. Is that the Touch ID? Yeah, and Touch ID is actually in the real MacBooks. Do that, we're gonna need a little bit more glue. And then we're gonna put it on. And under the Touch ID. Now we're gonna cut one of the really special parts that are in the MacBook. I'm gonna stick this really big part on. A really small screen. But it's really weird that the MacBook has two screens. Now we're done with the MacBook. Let's dance, let's dance. Hey, hey, let's dance. Hey. I have a surprise for you. Subscribe!